So this is Pro Open Class First Seat here in Iriga City. So andyan, Jeric Mitra, Ompong Gabriel, GC Reliosa, Raul Bramento, Seke Ramento, Noy Reliosa! All shot! Yeah! It's Jeric Mitra! Young Master Jeric Mitra got the whole shot, followed by Noy Reliosa, Ompong Gabriel, Seke Ramento, GC Reliosa, Raul Bramento, and sino yung isa? Hindi ko kilala. Wow! Master! Ay! Grabe! Ompong and Noy Reliosa. So leading it's Young Master Jeric Mitra for Pro Open category first seat here in Iriga City. Noy Reliosa on second, Ompong Gabriel on third. Seke Ramento, Raul Bramento, GC Reliosa. Wow.
Raul Bramento, 6 is GC Reliosa, and 7 is Jeboy Reliosa.
So
We have
Master Jeric Mitra.
Noy Reliosa on second.
Wow, Ompong Gabriel on third. Battle with Noy Reliosa. Wow, 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 wow. Ay! Ay, nakuha. Ompong Gabriel na on second. In second position. Wow. Ah! Grabe si Ompong, bay! Woo! Grabe ka talaga, Ompong. Ang hari ng whip. Ompong! Ay, Ompong! Woo! Kunti ka na doon, Ompong Gabriel. Hop, hop, hop. Ala, dikit ang laban. Ompong Gabriel versus Jeric Mitra. Hop, ay! Wow! Grabe. Ala, dikit ang laban, guys. Ramento, Seke Ramento. Dikit ang laban, guys. It's still Young Master Jeric Mitra, pero Ompong Gabriel andyan lang sa likuran. Dinodot-dot, sinusundot si Mr. Young Master Jeric Mitra. Ayun! Wow! Wow! Woo! Ayun lang, it's Ompong Gabriel, I think. Ay, Ompong Gabriel na. Wow, wow, wow. Ayun, nag-whip na naman. Ay. Ayan. Wow. So, since leading position, it's Ompong Gabriel, followed by Young Master Jeric Mitra. Ayun, yeah. Wow. Third, it's Noy Reliosa, Raul Bramento, and Seke Ramento. Ompong Gabriel, pero Young Master Jeric Mitra andyan lang sa likuran. Oh. Oh, dikit ang laban. Wow. Still leading Ompong Gabriel. Wow. Raplamento on fourth. Wow, 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 wow. Hala! Grabe ka dikit! Sinilas na yung diferensya, guys. Sinilas na yung diferensya. Wow, wow. Raplamento, Sikiramento. Ayun o, ayun o. Wow! Estel Ompong Gabriel.
Still, it's Ompong Gabriel.
Pero yung Master Jeric Mitra andyan na sa likuran. Wow! Ay! Jeric Mitra na naman leading. Wow! Anong nangyari kay Ompong? Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Anong nangyari? Ompong Gabriel. Noel Leon Southern. And Ralph Lamento. Ayun o. Change leading position. It's yung Master Jeric Mitra. Unti-unti nang lumalayo kay Ompong Gabriel. Tempo Reliosa. No Reliosa on third. Raplamento on fourth. Still, young Master Jeric Mitra.
Our race organizer.
Last 2 laps. So, Ompong Gabriel on second. Breakaway na yung Master Jeric Mitra. Ayun o. Yung Master Jeric Mitra on the lead na. Ompong Gabriel on second. Ayan, Noe Reliosa and Raplamento. Waiting for white flag na for young Master Jeric Mitra. White flag, white flag, white flag, white flag. Ayun o.
Alright, we have a new lead. That's Jeric Mitra.
White flag, white flag. So it's Gabriel on second. Noe Reliosa, Raplamento on fourth. Yang Master Jeric Mitra. It's uphill, downhill racetrack. Raplamento and Jepo Reliosa on fifth. Checkered flag for Young Master Derek Mitra. First in the first hit for Pro Open category here in Enriquez City. Second, it's Ompong Gabriel. Third, Noel Reliosa, Ralph Ramento, Jepo Reliosa, and Jesse Reliosa, and Siki Ramento. Checkered flag, checkered flag.